Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope everybody is doing good, right? Okay, as we are continuing this series, which we are translating from Telugu to English. Okay, let's learn this. మీరు ఎందుకు వెళ్ళరు? Why won't you go? రేపు నాకు ఒక ముఖ్యమైన పని ఉంది. Because I have an important work tomorrow. ఇంతకు ముందు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇది చేశారా? Have you done this before? లేదు, ఇంతకు ముందు ఎప్పుడు చేయలేదు. No, I have never done this before. ఓకే, మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళి వచ్చారా? Have you ever been to Hyderabad? Okay, so this is the thing that we have learned today. Okay, you do follow for more videos. So I want everybody to comment for this answer in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to Magneq software. Thank you all.